Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about the first rule for assigning oxidation states or oxidation numbers to atoms, which says an uncombined atom that's in its elemental state will have an oxidation number of 0. Let's talk about what this means. So an uncombined atom just means you've got only one type of element not bonded to a different element. And if anytime you see that, it's going to get a value of 0. Some common examples are Fe solid. Now the state of matter really doesn't make a huge difference here. The more important issue is the fact that it's just an Fe not bonded to a different element, so we know it's going to have an oxidation state of 0. The state of matter solid is only important in that when iron is in its elemental form, it does happen to be a solid. But as far as you identifying that 0 for yourself, the more important issue again is that it's just Fe not bonded to another atom. You could take the same approach here with carbon solid. Because it's carbon and only carbon, then it's going to have an oxidation state of 0. For comparison's purpose, if you saw carbon dioxide, CO2, here because carbon is bonded to a different element, oxygen, carbon will not be 0. It's either going to be positive or negative, depending on whatever other rules need to be applied. So that's sort of what we're talking about here. The same exact guideline would be for Na. Yes, solid sodium is sodium's elemental form, but more important is the fact that it's Na by itself, not bonded to a different element, so it's going to be 0. Now this same rule applies for your diatomic elements, which a lot of chemistry teachers have a little mnemonic device to help students remember called Honkelbrief, Honclbri and F. These elements, when alone, not combined with other elements, will form diatomics. In other words, H2, N2, Br2, just to list a few. Because that is the elemental form of these 7 elements. When you see H2 gas, even though it's hydrogen bonded to another hydrogen, that still counts as an oxidation number of 0 because that is hydrogen in its elemental state. Same thing with O2 and Br2 and any of the other 7 elements on that list. That wraps it up for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.